वेलकम टू आवर शॉर्ट हैंड लैब प्रयागराज। दोस्तों, यहाँ पर एक इलाहाबाद हाई कोर्ट एपीएस के बेस पे लीगल डिक्टेशन डिक्टेट की जाएगी, जिसकी स्पीड होगी लगभग 100 से 110 के बीच की। डिक्टेशन जो है काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट है, तो प्रयास करें कई बार लिखने का और हर हाल में लिखें इसे। ओके, और यहाँ पर जो कुछ दिखाई पड़ रहा है एक बार उसे केयरफुली रीड आउट कर लें, और डिक्टेशन पसंद आए तो प्लीज़ लाइक वगैरह कर दिया करिए। ओके, सो बी रेडी। 5 सेकेंड, start. Observing that Article 25 and 26 of the Constitution embodies the principle of within quote religious tolerance, which is a characteristic of Indian civilization, the Karnataka High Court on Monday disposed of a public interest litigation alleging that the contents of Azan bracket open call for prayers in Islam bracket close hurt the sentiments of believers of other faiths full stop para. Quote, contention that the contents of Azan violate the fundamental right guaranteed to the petitioner as well as persons of other faith cannot be accepted, D. Quote. Division Bench of Acting Chief Justice Alok Ardhe and Justice S. Vishwanath Sethi said, full stop para. Advocate Manjunath S. Halwar, appearing for petitioner Chandrasekhar R, submitted that though Azan is an essential religious practice of Muslims, however, the words within quote Allahu Akbar used in Azan bracket open translated as Allah is the greatest bracket close affect the religious beliefs of others full stop para. He shot a direction to the authorities to stop mosques oblique masjids in the state from using the contents of the Azan through loudspeakers full stop para. The plea also contained other words from the Azan, however, the bench dissuaded the petitioner's counsel from reading it full stop. It orally remarked, quote, do not violate your own fundamental rights, you have said by hearing these words, your right is violated, so why should you read it full stop, D. Quote. Para, quote, Article 25 within bracket 1 of the Constitution of India, confers the fundamental rights on all persons to freely profess, practice and propagate their own religion, however, this right is not an absolute right but is subject to restrictions on the grounds of public order, morality, and health, as well as subject to other provisions in Part 3 of the Constitution of India, full stop, D. Code. Para, quote, undoubtedly the petitioner as well as believers of other faiths have the right to practice their religion, full stop. Azan is a call to Muslims to offer prayers, full stop. It is the case the petitioner himself as pleaded in para 6 within bracket B of the writ petition, that Azan is an essential religious practice of the persons belonging to Islam, full stop. It is also pertinent to note that it is not the case of the petitioner himself that his fundamental right guaranteed under Article 25 is being infringed in any manner by offering Azan, through loudspeakers or public announcement system or its contents violate the fundamental right guaranteed to petitioner or persons belonging to other faith, full stop, para. Before parting, the court directed the respondent authorities to ensure that loudspeakers and public announcement system and sound producing instruments and other musical instruments shall not be permitted to be used above the permissible decibel from 10 pm to 6 am, full stop, para. The court referred to an order passed by a coordinate bench of the High Court on 17th June, wherein the respondent authorities were directed to carry out a drive to prevent the misuse of loudspeakers and public announcement system, full stop, para. The bench directed that respondent shall follow the directions issued by the court and a compliance report shall be filed within 8 weeks, full stop. ओके, तो ये आपका टोटल 471 वर्ड्स का डिक्टेशन था। प्रयास करें। ये मैटर बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है क्योंकि मैटर में काफ़ी वर्ड्स जो है बहुत अलग आए हुए हैं, टॉपिक भी बहुत अलग है, नॉर्मल वर्ड से जो है ये अलग है। तो तो कई बार लिखने का प्रयास करें, इसके जो वर्ड्स हैं उसको बाहर निकालिए, अगर नहीं बना पा रहे हैं तो बाहर निकाल कर उसकी प्रैक्टिस करिए, तुरंत जो है डिक्टेशन लीजिए कई बार। और ये डिक्टेशन पसंद आए तो प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर और कमेंट भी कर दीजिए करिए, क्योंकि उससे हमारा भी मोटिवेशन होता रहे और आप तो लिखते ही रहते हैं। ओके, और यहाँ पर जो कुछ लिखा है एक बार उसे केयरफुली रीड आउट कर लीजिएगा। ओके, थैंक यू सो मच।